Good morning, folks. It's 5 a.m. Friday the 13th of May 2016. What I have here today is a brand new in the box Casablanca Panama. And it has everything: the hang true canopy, and has the little Casablanca pull chain came with it. The blades did not come with it. I had to get those. I already had a stash of Casablanca blades in that cabinet there, so I used some. These are actually, let's see here if it has. Oh, they're mahogany colored. So let's take it for a spin, shall we? Now this has the powerful XLP 2000 motor. Has the Silent Flex flywheel. Yeah, and of course it has the 4.5 flywheel, but I know I've always found the fifth blade to be a little redundant. I just like having 4 blades, so that's what I installed it with. I like the look of the 4 blades better. As the kids said on the Fanimation tour, the 4-blade fan is an X fan, which makes perfect sense because it looks like a big X, and the 5-blade fan is a star fan, so I prefer the X fan to the star fan. As you can tell, this thing is silent. I don't hear a gosh darn thing except the whoosh, whoosh, whoosh from the blade, from the air it's moving, but you don't hear anything from the motor at all. It's a very quiet appliance. So in case you guys lost track, it's actually a 4-speed fan. There was high, medium, low, and super low. I honestly like the super low setting. I think that was really cool. You know, almost like in the movie Casablanca, with the fans just, you know, turning nice and slowly, and you know, I think that's really cool. You know, just enough to keep the air moving, you know, air circulating, but not enough to you know, really make you feel cold if it's in a, you know, restaurant or something like that. So, all right, there you have it. Wait for it to wind down before I show you guys the top of the motor and the any close-up pics. Alrighty then. Okay, and in case you're interested, here's the box. Give you guys a shot of the close-up shot. Here's the tag. Oh, there you have it. Casablanca, Panama. 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 And that's it. It's antique brass finish with mahogany blades. And at least on this particular model, the blades were sold separately. But like I said, you know, I have a ton of Casablanca blades. I actually gave a number of sets of them out to Brandon C. Johnson yesterday. So I'm down a few sets now, but I still probably have, I don't even know how many I have left, probably 10 or 12. So oh, more than that, I guess. I have some more over there, probably about, I don't know, probably 20 or something. So anyway, folks, thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more fan videos. Subscribe to my page called The Fan Cave. And check out my Facebook page, also called The Fan Cave. Thanks for watching. Good night and good luck.